Welcome to your daily meditation moment to attract wealth and prosperity. Today, we will connect with the abundance that resides within us and in the universe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to not miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Let's start. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and allow yourself to relax. Begin by taking a deep breath, filling your lungs with fresh air. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be feeling. Feel the inner peace washing over you with each breath. Express gratitude for what you have in your life right now. Recognize the small and large blessings you already possess. Gratitude is the first step to attract more wealth. Visualize yourself surrounded by wealth and abundance. See yourself achieving your financial dreams. Imagine living the life of your dreams, with prosperity flowing into every area of your life. Repeat some positive affirmations to attract wealth. I am deserving of wealth and prosperity. Abundance flows freely into my life. I am open to receiving wealth in all its forms. Accept that wealth is a part of your destiny. Release any resistance or limiting beliefs you may have about money. Know that you deserve prosperity. Remember that meditation is a powerful tool, but action is also necessary. Think of concrete actions you can take to get closer to your financial goals. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the present moment. Feel refreshed and confident in your ability to attract wealth and prosperity. If you want to continue exploring ways to attract wealth and prosperity into your life, subscribe to our channel Wealth and Prosperity to receive inspiring and practical content regularly. Together, we can journey on the path of abundance. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Peace and prosperity.